New feature alert. Creating animated GIFs with Screencastify.
Hello and welcome to Tech Tips with Cameron. I'm Cameron, and today what we are learning about is how to use Screencastify to make GIFs, or silent moving pictures. So you can see here's one of me looking absolutely ridiculous waving. So GIFs can be designed for fun. So if you're trying to put a funny image of you waving on a slideshow, on a document, on anywhere, you can use Screencastify to do this.
Round full speed and jump right in.
They can also be for learning. So you can see here, we've got a GIF that is teaching the formula of a rectangle, thanks to Rich Parker.
That's teacher approved.
And one that shows decomposing a number. So how do we do this? Well, the whole key is just recording your video like you normally would with Screencastify, going up here and clicking record. So you may be asking yourself, how do we make these GIFs? Here's the trick. You use animations inside of Google Slides to have things pop up as necessary. I'm going to select all these images and click on animate. What we can see up here is that they appear when I click. So it's popping up at different times. So you can see when I'm in the slideshow, imagine I was recording right now. I click forward and this pops up. Wait a little, next, next, next. And it doesn't matter if you're talking during the video because GIFs, when they export, don't come with sound. We see those are all 10. Area equals length times width. Area equals 10 times 10 equals 100 meters squared. And then I would stop my recording and I would be able to export it as a GIF. Once you've recorded your video, it pops up in here. Remember, GIFs are only going to work if they're like 12 seconds or less. Otherwise, the file gets too big and it won't be embeddable into your Google workspace. But when we're done, we head down here to export video. This gives us all our different options. And what you do is you just click export as GIF. You can choose your size. So if your GIF is longer, you could make it a smaller size so that it doesn't take up too much space. But for the most part, this works out great. Once it hits 100%, you can see a little green download arrow here. Click on that arrow and give it a title and save it to your computer. Now that you have it, you can drag and drop or insert image from your computer over to your downloads, pick your GIF, and we can see there it is in all its glory. GIFs can be used for fun, for learning, and for students who also could use them for fun and to showcase their learning. It's an amazing way to utilize Screencastify. Have a great day. Bye-bye.